Good day everyone. My name is Matt Anthony Ditors. I will be presentation our to improve program. Next. The goal of this program is simple but practical. It's ask the user for two numbers positive, negative, zero or dominical and them lets them choose an operation using next. After the user enters the first number, the flowchart checks whether in the input of valid. If it's not in show an error message and ask for the number. Again, the same process is appealed to the second numbers. Next po. Next po. Sa first slide po. Okay. Checking operation. For the operation, we made the decision block accept both unprocessed and lowest letter by using logical or condition. If the user types anything outside of ASMD or R, the flowcharts hope back and ask them to choose again. Next po. Pakibilis po. Ay. Okay. The key message. Algorithms work processing input through our series of logical steps as a generate accurate. Algorithm works. Input receives data or information required to solve a problem. Okay, next po. Once everything is valid, the flowchart performs the correct conclusion and displays the result, some difference products and the median, depending on the operation chains. Next po. Repeat option na run again. Finally, the user is giving the option to repeat the whole process by entering Y or N. Both lowercase and uppercase answer are accepted. Choice yes brings them back to the choosing. No ends the program. Next po. Summary. The summary. Overall, this flowchart emphasize proper validation, clean error handling. So the calculator remains verbally and user friendly. Thank you for listening to me po. Okay na po tropa.